Good morning, everyone. Mike again from TekDMC. This time, though, coming to you from my basement work center in my waning days of quarantine and isolation. Yes, that's right. With the pandemic, it's liable to probably hit us one way or another, and it is an ever increasing reason for us to be able to accomplish work anytime and from anywhere. This morning, we will be diving into the world of base cabinets. Yes, those cabinets under the countertops where function meets form, where organizational capability, design, and ease of access are paramount due to limited footprint availability. We've designed over 100 base cabinets we feel cover the lion's share of designs currently being used, ranging from open standard cabinets that are used for large item storage, trash or pet food pullouts, or tilt-out hampers. And once again, on a cabinet like this, if it's a large item storage, you can choose your hinging, but then if you're going to use a trash pullout or a hamper, you can pick the false door and attach your hardware to it. Single and double top drawer cabinets. This is probably the lion's share of the cabinets that are in any American kitchen, ranging from open to just adjustable shelves, or rollouts and rollouts with adjustable shelves, or tray dividers for those cookie and pizza trays. Drawered cabinets. Notice here that we've built the drawered cabinets to where the end user can actually specify what height the drawers they want them to be. Under construction, I'll pull up a picture. Here on this cabinet, the customer can specify the top drawer and second drawer height. Under construction is where they do that. And once again, we've designed all of this for the ability, the manufacturer, to take the engineering out of their payroll and to be able to put the design efforts onto the end user. And all of this translates directly from Allmoxy into Cabinet Vision and straight out to the CNCs. Bottom drawered cabinets. Now those cabinets are going to be different than an appliance cabinet where you have a bottom drawer and a microwave above, or an oven above. And speaking of those cabinets, we've designed all microwave and oven cabinets to be able to specifically mold around the cavity that the appliance manufacturer specifies. So here you can enter the opening width, and then obviously all the dimensions grow from there depending on the material thickness, and then the end width is actually printed out with some of the sheets that are available in Allmoxy. Sink and false front cabinets. We've designed sink cabinets that have two doors, one or two doors that overlap an apron. We've designed sink and false front cabinets that are standard, like you would normally see, that have a false front, over an apron behind. We've also designed them with an apron and no false front, which would be a very good application for a farm sink. 45 corner cabinets, 90 corner cabinets, and obviously these can have Lazy Susans inserted into them. Blind corner cabinets. Now we saw two major ways of building corner cabinets, and that is one, either with the blank panel flush to the door and in the same color as the door, or an inset blank panel that sits inside of the door, and then you could cover up just a little bit of it with a filler. Adjustable shelves behind. We've also developed one where you can specify the blank panel width, but then on the side of it there's also a drawer. Base appliances. Vanities. We've designed vanities that are centered in the basin or offset and have a drawer beside them. So this pretty much wraps up the time that we have today for base cabinets. But please stay tuned for our next video where we dive deeper into tall cabinets, where we'll show more of our appliance cabinets, ovens and microwaves, and we'll also show a myriad of different possibilities of adjustable shelves and rollouts and whether or not you want your doors to be split and matching the base cabinets or upper cabinets or one tall door. So thanks for watching. We ask that you please subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss all the exciting things coming in 2021. Thank you, and have a great day.